Number 1. 1996 Ford F250, price $8,900. It has been driven 135,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with a rear-wheel drive system, delivering dependable performance for both daily use and heavier tasks. The truck features a clean white exterior combined with a gray interior, creating a classic and well-kept look that still feels comfortable and functional. It comes with a clean title and has no reported accidents or damage, reflecting careful ownership. The vehicle runs and drives great, with the engine, transmission, and all essential components working properly. Overall, this F250 stands as a reliable and solid pickup, suitable for work, hauling, or everyday driving needs. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,200, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance. With only 16,000 miles driven, the vehicle remains in excellent condition, showing no mechanical issues, leaks, or warning lights on the dashboard. Finished in a green exterior with a gray interior, the truck offers a clean and functional look. It runs and drives excellently. Key features include its low mileage, gasoline engine, automatic transmission, extended cab configuration, and 8-foot bed. Additionally, the truck comes equipped with a tow package and hitch, making it well suited for hauling or pulling a fifth wheel. The air conditioning and heater are both in good working condition, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. Number 3. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,800. Showing just 99,000 original miles. Finished in a green exterior complemented by a tan interior, the truck offers a classic and practical appearance. It is powered by a robust 7.4L 454 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle is also equipped with a fully functional four-wheel drive system, enhancing its capability in rough terrain, heavy-duty hauling, and towing applications. As an extended cab model, it provides additional interior space for passengers or storage, while the long bed offers excellent utility for carrying tools, equipment, or larger loads. The truck is described as running and driving strong, reflecting its dependable mechanical condition. With a clean title, this vehicle stands out as a reliable and versatile option for both work and everyday use. Number 4. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,000, is a well-maintained pickup truck that has been driven for 124,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck is in excellent running condition and is ready to drive, having been consistently maintained with regular oil changes. Its frame remains solid with no rust holes, although there are minor cosmetic imperfections, including a few bubbling spots under the paint around the top of the rear fenders and the lower section of the passenger side front fender. The interior is clean and has been well cared for. Additionally, a new battery was installed recently, further supporting its reliability. Number 5. 1997 Ford Ranger, price $6,800, is a well-maintained compact pickup with only 46,000 miles, equipped with a 2.3L gasoline engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a white exterior and a clean gray interior, with around 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Major services include timing belt and tensioner replacement at 42,300 miles, along with a fuel filter change. Around 45,000 miles, it received new Cooper Cobra tires on black-painted stock wheels, as well as new front brake rotors, pads, and wool bearings. The clutch system, including flywheel, slave cylinder, throwout bearing, and transmission fluid, was also replaced at 45,300 miles. Additional updates include a new Delphi fuel pump and filler neck hose, a recently installed battery, and a fresh oil change on April 11, 2026. The truck also features LED headlights and reverse lights, along with professionally installed window tint, 15% front, 5% rear. The frame is solid with no rust holes, with only minor cosmetic bubbling on a few fender areas. Number 6. 1985 Toyota pickup, price $8,750. It has been driven approximately 1 million miles and is powered by a 22RE 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in white exterior paint with a gray interior, the engine was rebuilt at around 220,000 miles, while the head gasket was replaced 5 years ago, and the paint was refreshed last year. The truck also features new tires, a new battery, new brakes, and a new windshield, along with a new clutch, new fuel pump, and updated Bosch-style fuel injectors. Inside the cabin, it has new carpet, an in-cab battery disconnect, and a working aftermarket air conditioning system, The rear lower panels of the cargo box have been replaced with custom metal panels fabricated by the owner, and the truck previously served as a camper, during which the rear window was cut and later welded back in place. Some rust spots on the cabin floor were repaired, helping extend the truck's lifespan.
Number 7.
1993 GMC 1500, price $6,800. It has been driven for 185,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 6-cylinder engine, offering a balance of performance and practicality. The truck features a clean white exterior that still presents nicely, paired with a distinctive blue interior that adds character to the vehicle. It comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for the next owner. Maintenance has been kept up to date, including a recent oil change completed just last month.
In addition, the headlights have been newly replaced, improving visibility and safety during nighttime driving.
Overall, the vehicle is reported to have no mechanical issues and remains in good running condition, making it a solid and reliable choice for anyone looking for a classic pickup truck that still performs well.
Number 8.
1969 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, is a classic stepside pickup that offers both vintage charm and strong potential as a restoration or project vehicle. Equipped with a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it delivers a solid driving experience and has been driven approximately 1,000 miles. The truck features a bold red exterior paired with a black interior, creating a timeless and eye-catching combination. Running on gasoline, it starts and runs well, making it a reliable base for further improvement or customization. There are some areas of minor rust, particularly around the rocker panels and cab corners, which is common for vehicles of this era, but nothing that is considered major or structurally concerning. Importantly, the frame is reported to be solid and strong, providing a dependable foundation for restoration work. The stepside bed retains its original style, adding to the truck's classic appeal and authenticity. In addition to its mechanical and structural qualities, the truck also benefits from new tires, enhancing its readiness for the road and improving overall usability.
Number 9.
1970 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, long bed pickup with a 350 V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well, and it has power steering and power brakes. This is a project truck and does need significant body work. It has rust and will need repair in several areas, and the interior also needs work. The truck is factory AC equipped, but the AC is not currently working. Even so, it is a solid running and driving classic C10 that could make a great restoration project or weekend cruiser for someone willing to take on the body and interior work.
Number 10.
1991 Ford F250, price $3,000, that has traveled only 93,000 miles, making it a relatively low-mileage example for its age. It is equipped with an automatic transmission that offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience. The truck features a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, creating a cohesive and timeless appearance that reflects its vintage character. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 5.8L gasoline engine, known for its durability and solid performance. In addition to its reliable drivetrain, this F250 comes with practical enhancements such as overload springs and a transmission cooler, which improve its capability when carrying heavy loads or during extended use. These features add to the truck's overall functionality, making it not only a classic collectible but also a capable workhorse.